Attitude. It's choreographed by Jamie Marshall. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, low intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go around and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Backstreet Attitude. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a kick, step, tap back. So we're going to kick our right foot low and forward, quickly step your right next to your left. You're going to take your left toe, touch it behind. We're now going to do 2 toe taps and a heel. It's going to end up making a half turn over your left shoulder. So you want to tap your left toe, and every time you tap, you want to slightly turn over that left shoulder. And when you do that heel, you should be facing the back wall. So you're taking that left toe, tapping it, and you're going to make about a quarter turn over your left shoulder. Then you're going to tap your left toe, make another quarter turn over your left shoulder. You're now facing 6 o'clock, and you're going to do your left heel forward. We're now going to cross our left over our right, step our right foot back, step your left foot to the left side, scuff your right heel forward, hit your right knee up, and you're going to step down on the ball of your right foot. Let me show you that tap, tap, turn from the side. So we would have just done our kick, step, tap, back. You're going to do tap, tap, turn. That's what you're doing over that left shoulder. You're going to touch that left toe back, tap, tap, heel. And by the time you do that heel, you should be facing the wall that was behind you. And then you would continue the dance on. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on that left foot. You're starting with your kick, step, tap, back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2. This is where you're going to see some variation in the dance. You can add some of your own styling. I'm going to show it how it was choreographed, and then I'll show you some of the variations that I have seen or are listed on the step sheet. You can also do it however they do it where you dance. So weight is on the ball of your right foot, but mostly back on your left. We're going to bump our right hip forward. And as we bump forward, back, you're going to slowly put your weight all the way onto your right foot. So you're going to bump that right hip forward, bump your left hip back, right hip forward, left hip back, right hip forward, left hip back, right hip forward. At this point, your weight is completely on your right foot. We're now going to do a slow body roll, starting with your head and your shoulders. You're going to start by going forward. You're now going to arch back, sticking your shoulders back, rolling and sticking your chest out. We're going to come back, and on that count 8, you're going to be sitting back onto your left foot. So let's try it with some counts, doing those hip bumps. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you want to make sure on that 8 count, you push your hips back, weight is back on that left foot. Now, some ways that people do it, the one listed on the step sheet is you would do those hip bumps forward. So you would bump right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And then you would do it backward. So then you would do the same thing, but starting with your left hip, left, back, right, left, right, left, right, left. And you would sit back onto that left foot. Another way people do it is they do those hip bumps, and then they kind of some extra body rolls. You could totally do that as well. The most common way that I see it, at least around me, is people will do 2 hip bumps forward, then 2 hips back, and then they do some hip rolls. So they're just kind of rolling forward, back, and then they're sitting back onto that left foot. If your dance place does it a little differently, feel free to do it how they do it, or add your own styling into that section. Section 3, we just would have sat back onto that left foot. We're going to do a Charleston, but it's going to start by stepping back with our right foot. So you're going to step your right foot back, touch your left toe back. Step your left foot forward, touch your right toe forward. You're now going to do a behind side, but we're going to make a quarter turn over that left shoulder. So we're going to step our right foot behind. You're going to make that quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side, and then step your right foot to the right side. It's going to feel like a sailor that's turning to the left. We're now going to weave left behind, right side, left cross. So So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left foot. You're facing 6 o'clock. We're going to step back with that right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do a big step to the right, and you're going to drag that left toe into your right, and then you're going to stomp your left foot next to your right twice. Stomp, stomp, and you're not taking any weight on it. We're now going to do a rolling vine with a stomp traveling over our left shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping forward with your left foot. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side, and you're going to stomp your right foot next to your left and not take weight. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just crossed our left over our right. You're doing that big step. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our kick, step, tap. Kick, step, tap, back, turning, tap, tap, heel. Cross, back, side, scuff, hitch, touch. Bump your hip, bump, 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 bump. Weights on your right now. Roll, back onto the left. Back Charleston, step, back, touch, back, step, forward, touch, forward. Quarter, left turning sailor step. Now your weave, behind, side, cross, big step, drag, double stomp, rolling vine, quarter, half, quarter, stomp. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that left foot, starting with your kick, step, tap, back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, of course, the song says throw your hands up in the air, and on some of those parts, you can add some extra styling. Have fun with the dance. Add as much extra into it as you would like. It even says it's on the step sheet. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your kick, step, tap, back. Kick, step, tap, back, turning, toe, toe, heel. Cross, back, side, scuff, hitch, touch. Bump right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Roll and sit back. Back Charleston, step back, touch, back. Step forward, touch, forward. Behind, quarter, side, weave, behind, side, cross, big step, drag. Stomp, stomp, rolling vine. With a stomp now, kick. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, step, tap, back, tap, tap, turn, heel. Cross, back, side, scuff, hitch, touch, bump, forward, 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 forward. Now roll. Back onto the left, back, touch. Forward, touch. Now behind, quarter, side, weave, behind, side, cross, big step, drag. Stomp, stomp, rolling vine with a stomp, kick, step, point. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope this helped you learn Backstreet attitude. Now that you've practiced with the tutorial, scroll to the end of the video and you can practice with the rear facing demo so that you can rock this on a dance floor near you. Just a reminder, this is how it's choreographed on the step sheet. Where you dance it, they may add some extra into it, or you can add in your own. But I hope this helped you learn Backstreet attitude. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Rock your body.